Adrien Broner is Adrien Broner, man. You know, I can say that I have matured, you know, these past years. You know, this half of my career, you know, I'm more focused on business. You know, I'm gonna be the AB that's about business and about boxing. You know, other than about bullshit.
Right. No,
you know, I'm still me. You know, at all my press conferences, it's not a gimmick. It's not a joke. It's not scripted. I'm just being myself, and you know, a lot of people respect it, and you got some who don't like it. You got people who think that I'm being too cocky, but you know, I'm just very confident in my work, and it's nothing wrong with being a confident young man. I mean, you know, I just do me, man. You know, just me doing me alone, and that promotes itself. Me being myself. You know, like I said before, none of this is scripted. Anything I do, none of this is not scripted. I just be myself. Like I teach, like I'm teaching my protege Robert. You know, just be yourself. I'm just being me. So, but I never really got in trouble for being me, honestly. You know, even in boxing, my coach, my mom, everybody just understood it was me. You know, even in school, you can ask any of my teachers right now. I was probably was the smartest in class. You know, I was just a class clown. I love the attention, man. You know, and I'm not doing it on purpose. This is just me.
Right.
It more so come with life, man. To be honest, I'm 26 now. I'll be 27 this year, and it's actually funny because I went home and I was like, Mom. She was like, what? And I was like, that's crazy. I'm about to be 26 this year. She was like, boy, you is 26. I'm like, oh shit. like time is going so fast, man. You know, I've grown so much, man. And you know, I've matured so much. But at the end of the day, I'm still me.